Are you looking for the best paper shredder? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best paper shredder on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Overall Shredder. This is the only shredder in our testing suite that has the ability to handle a stack of paper over 100 sheets thick all at once, thanks to its auto feed mechanism. Furthermore, this machine shreds paper into the microcut format of essentially confetti, ensuring the highest level of security for your private documents. It's also one of the less annoying shredders to listen to as it chews away at dozens of sheets of paper. Our lead tester had this revelation while testing the Aurora. I didn't think a paper shredder would actually be fun to use, but watching this beast chew through hundreds of pieces of paper has been a delight. Advertised sheet capacity 120/10. Measured sheet capacity 140/11. Bin capacity 18.9 L 5 gallons. Maximum sheets per minute 36. Shred type microcut. We didn't find many flaws with the Aurora 120 mAh 120 sheet, but one feature it is missing is the ability to shred CDs. It also isn't the fastest shredder we've tested, but it's still pretty quick. Number 2. Best Bang for the Buck. This makes emptying the shredder much easier and cleaner than top-load units. Although it doesn't make a pleasant sound while operating, the noise the shredder makes isn't too annoying. The largest drawbacks of the Amazon Basics are that it is relatively slow in its shredding duties and that it is too large to easily hide under a small desk. Shredding just a single sheet is easy, but it is still much slower than some competitors. When shredding multiple sheets, though, this model doesn't slow down. Although our lead tester doesn't have a lot to say about the Amazon Basics, he still recommends it wholeheartedly, stating, although cheaper, this bad boy can tackle any shredding task. Specifications. Advertised sheet capacity 8. Measured sheet capacity 11. Bin capacity 15.1 L 4 gallons. Maximum sheets per minute 41. Shred type microcut. Number 3. Best desktop style model. This tiny, no-frills paper shredder is powerful enough to chew through a few pages at a time or a credit card on its own. It is also small enough to inconspicuously live on a shelf or the corner of your desk until you need to pull it out, making it great for personal use. The noise it makes is also surprisingly innocuous and doesn't have the usual whine we expect from smaller, less expensive machines. Our reviewer liked how it helped him keep his desk clean, noting, "Cute and tiny, I love that I can keep this on my desk and shred papers I'm not using anymore to keep my desk space nice and tidy." Unfortunately, this paper shredder is simply not designed for heavy use. Long documents or frequent shredding warrant the consideration of a larger unit because heavy use is likely to stress the tiny motor of this machine. Specifications. Advertised sheet capacity 4. Measured sheet capacity 4. Bin capacity 5 L 1.32 gallons. Maximum sheets per minute 24. Shred type crosscut.